We've got the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, guys. This is only third phone in the world with the Snapdragon 45. So let's go and unbox it. So we have a pretty massive box here, and it's also incredibly simple. I know what they're going for. They want to do what a lot of the other companies do, like Apple, Samsung. They want it to be pretty simple, pretty clean, minimal, simplistic. But yeah, they're kind of bringing it to a new level here. So on the front we have the Mix logo right there. And on the bottom, nothing. On this side, nothing. The other side. And on the back, so yeah guys, pretty simple, basic black box, but don't really think you care about that. Let's go and see what's inside it. Okay, so we have a letter. I can't read that, but if you guys can, go and read it yourself. And we have the Mix 2S right there. And we're going to take a look at this in a second. Alright guys, we have a wall adapter. And a Type-C cable. Okay, so it looks like we've got some instruction manuals. And unfortunately guys, let's pull this out. I know guys, not the smoothest unboxing here, but we have more manuals right there. And unfortunately no headphone jack on this phone, so this is a converter right there. And the SIM card ejector tool. Unfortunately, no headphone jack with this phone, but it do give you a free case with it. Alright guys, let's go and take a look at the phone. Now this is a high-end phone at a good price point. But it's mostly designed, of course, for the Chinese market. Pretty nice design on the back there. And the phone does have two cameras on the back. We'll discuss it more in a few seconds. Alright guys, I've been using the phone for about 30 minutes so far, and real quick I'm going to go over the specs and I'll give my brief thoughts on it. And just a quick look at the case there. Now make no mistake guys, it looks nice, feels nice. But really this is not going to protect your phone if you drop it. So I would say get a real case for it. This is purely for scratches. Alright guys, let's go over the specs. Now this phone is a 6.0 inch screen display, and you guys see it's nearly bezel-less. I really have no idea how to fit the front facing camera on this. I mean it's good that we don't have a notch like, let's see, do I have the... Yeah, I have the Huawei right here. So it's nice that we don't have the notch right there. And you guys see some bezel at the bottom here, but that aside looks pretty good. Now the front facing camera is 5 megapixels, and on the back you have 2 at 12. And the second camera on this is a telephoto, so it is used for zoom. And it's using Huawei as an example here. Switching between the two lenses. Now the phone is available in either 64, 128, 256 gigabytes, and no microSD card support on it. You have a 34-inch capacity battery, Snapdragon 45, either 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. And again guys, no headphone jack on it, but you do have USB Type-C. And also the phone is unfortunately not waterproof. The phone also has wireless charging and you have the fingerprint scanner right there. And let's just do a quick comparison versus the original Mi Mix 2. And yeah guys, the bezels are a tiny bit smaller but still pretty similar. And that aside, main differences are the cameras and the processors, but of course guys, we'll be having full comparisons of that. And guys, just to be really clear about this, this is a Chinese phone, it is aimed at a Chinese audience. So, yeah, I mean, I know a lot of people want to buy it because it is cheaper than phones like the Galaxy, similar specs to it. But no Play Store on this. Actually, I think it's still an Android 7 Nougat, not even Android Oreo. Of course, you can download this stuff, but still, for most people, probably a bit of a hassle. So, guys, thanks again for watching. Subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about it.